Now, the military parade in China was the biggest in the country's history, but an even bigger alliance was on full display. Vladimir Putin and Kim Jong-un walking beside their host, China's President Xi Jinping. The smiles, handshakes, and conversations marking a deep moment of discomfort for the West as it signaled a strengthening new world order. Our next report gets you more on the changing colors of global power corridors. Take a look.
The military parade in China's capital was not the only thing that the world was watching. 3 leaders, 1 photograph has made a loud, clear statement. World order is changing and the West is being challenged. The European Union is calling it a new anti-West bloc. China's President Xi Jinping, flanked by Russia's Vladimir Putin and North Korea's leader Kim Jong-un, walked the red carpet, both leaders being the guests of honor at China's 80th World War II anniversary parade. More than 25 international leaders attended the military parade. But it was this trio that captured attention worldwide. Xi seated between Putin and Kim at the viewing gallery. But the West was only looking at this alliance. This is the first time that all 3 leaders have been seen together in public. The timing of this gathering could not be more critical. Xi's speech at the military parade also caught eyeballs. The Chinese president slammed bullies, but did not name anyone. For the world, it was a veiled jibe at Donald Trump.
History warns us that all humanity rises and falls together. Only when countries across the world treat each other as equals, coexist in peace and support one another, can we uphold common security, eradicate the root cause of war, and prevent the recurrence of historical tragedies. Comrades and friends, the Chinese nation is a great nation that is never intimidated by any bullies and always values independence and strength of our own.
Following the parade, Putin and Kim held a bilateral meeting. The talks replete with deep praise for one another and of military partnership between the 2 countries. Putin praised Kim for the role of North Korean soldiers in the Russia-Ukraine war. In return, Kim called it North Korea's fraternal duty to help Russia. The bonhomie has not gone down well with US President Donald Trump, who in the past has repeatedly said that he shares a great relationship with all 3 of the leaders. But in his latest post on Truth Social, Trump's sarcasm was unmissable, conveying regards to Putin and Kim with a cold undertone, accusing China's president of conspiring against the US. But the Kremlin was quick to shut down Trump's latest tirade, saying that nobody has been conspiring against Washington. Russia, China, North Korea on one side, US and other Western countries on the other. The wedge has only widened. Trump's tariff war with trade partners, the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war, and North Korea's legacy of alienation from the world order, all factors that have escalated an existing divide. But the underlying message is clear. One country or one leader's diktat is not a global benchmark. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.